In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to automatically add a label to an email in Gmail, a simple yet powerful way to organize your inbox more efficiently. To get started, let's navigate to your Gmail account. Once you're on your main email dashboard, direct your attention to the search bar at the top. There is a small icon just beside it resembling a funnel or triangle. Click on this icon to open up the advanced search options. This will help refine your search criteria for applying labels automatically. Next, after opening this advanced search panel, you'll see a field that says From. Here you should enter the email address of the person whose emails you want to label. Whether it's a colleague, a newsletter, or a vendor, adding their specific email ensures you catch all correspondence related to them. Now, to further refine your filter, consider whether the emails typically have attachments. If they do, check the box labeled Has Attachment. This is particularly helpful if you often receive important files from this sender and want a quick way to locate such messages. With your criteria set, move downward and click on Create Filter at the bottom. This step is crucial as it will open up more options for what you can do with emails that fit the set criteria. As part of these new options, look for something that says Apply the Label. When you select this, you'll be prompted with another choice, which is Choose Label. Clicking here will either allow you to select an existing label you've already set up in your Gmail, or give you the chance to create a new label entirely. If you are unsure about previous labels, take a moment to think about what would best categorize these emails. Once you have selected or created a new label, you must finalize this process by pushing the Create Filter button once again. Doing this will confirm your actions and put your new email filter into place, applying the chosen label to all future emails that meet your specified criteria. This setup process takes only a few minutes but is an effective tool in keeping your inbox organized. By automatically labeling important messages, you eliminate the need to manually sort through emails, saving time and reducing stress from a cluttered inbox. You can revisit these filters anytime by going into your Gmail settings, under Filters and Blocked Addresses, in case you need to tweak or remove them as your needs change. And that's it. You now have the know-how to auto-label emails in Gmail, making sure essential communications never get lost in the shuffle. Thank you for watching and feel free to explore more tutorials on optimizing your digital life.